Hi guys, this is Justin again. Welcome back to K Hair Factory's Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. And today I will help you guys to answer the questions. What are the most important elements to think about when purchasing hair in bulk? I know that there are several things to think about before buying hair in bulk. However, it is impossible to pick up every single one at once. Learning step by step is better, especially for a newcomer in the hair market. Remember, you are a reseller who must purchasing hair in bulk in order to resell it. Therefore, I will show you guys 3 important elements you should know before buying hair in bulk. The first element you should know is reviewing the qualities of wholesale hair in bulk products. There are 3 important things to keep in mind while evaluating the qualities of hair in bulk. First of all, hair's origins. The key aspect affecting the qualities of any hair in bulk is the hair origins. It is much more crucial for a hair in bulk order because it's always more difficult to examine and guarantee that such a large quantity of hair has the same quality. Secondly, hair life expectancies. The lifespan of the hair in bulk is very significant. Before choosing to purchase any hair in bulk, it is advised that you should inquire with the factories or the wholesaler about the hair's actual lifespan and any methods for extending it. It is preferable for beginner reseller to import hair that is easy to maintain like natural hair and that is durable like virgin hair. The reason is that if you buy hair in bulk and it only lasts for a few months, you will lose money because you may not have many clients at first. Last but not least, the abilities of restyling. This is another aspect about which you should consult your hair distributor if you're buying hair in bulk. Actually, buy for your clients who make up 80% of your potential customer are more concerned about it. Usually, they personalize the hair before using it rather than utilizing it immediately. Thus, to advise your clients, you must be an expert in this field. As a result, you will be at time to draw in more hair in bulk business. The second thing you need to do is compare the price of hair in bulk. As a wholesale hair dealer, you profit from the price differences between your selling price and the import price. To ensure that you may get the greatest hair at the best price to maximize your earnings, you should truly review the pricing list of several factories that produce hair in bulk in advance. And the most important element is locating trustworthy wholesale hair in bulk. It's crucial to know how to evaluate hair in bulk pricing and quality. Then, knowing where to look for a reputable distributor of hair in bulk is crucial. You should pick a wholesale hair in bulk distributor who can adhere to the following standards. 1. The distributor can ensure that the hair in bulk's quality justifies its cost. Sometimes a bulk supplier verbal promise is inefficient. You must independently check it. You may accomplish this by making a video chat, order some samples, or if it's practical, going in person to the hair in bulk distributor and getting it a check. 2. The distributor is able to prove its trustworthiness. Evidence may be actual customer reviews, information that has been published, or a physical place that supplies hair in bulk. And these are the most crucial elements to think about when purchasing hair in bulk. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below this video or message me via this WhatsApp. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory's Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.